Welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, and here I am going to show how to use Memoji on iOS keyboard and send it on Message or other social chat apps. There are hundreds of pre-installed emoji that we can use from keyboard directly or use our own custom Memoji from the iOS keyboard. In this video, you get the whole idea about where is emoji and how to use on iPhone, iPad or iPod. Open Message app on an iOS device, open Conversation or create a new conversation. Now you can see the Memoji icon and keyboard palette. Tap on Memoji app and browse different emotions at a glance. Expand view by dragging a bar on the keyboard. Now swipe to the right to browse more emojis and tap on it to send in conversation. Now you are done. Now quickly find recently used and your favorite Memoji on emoji keyboard. Swipe to right on emoji keyboard. Also, we can create our custom emoji without leave Message app. Tap on the plus icon to add another custom emoji. Select skin, hairstyle, brows, eyes, head, nose, mouth, ears, facial hair, eyewear, head wear. Now anytime you can send Memoji from emoji keyboard. Swipe to right, find recently used Memoji and create at the right way by a tap on plus icon as I've explained earlier.